What's up everyone, KSG Vlogs here, and today we are doing a garage door video with the brand new garage door. It is about a week old, which is kind of amazing. You know that, ew, why is there a cracker in this rail? Ew, it's gross. Anyways, we got the double track system right here. The beautiful torsion springs. You also got the opener right here, and there's nothing else on that side, so we won't worry about it. Anyways, let's go open it. You know what? Let's see how the remotes work. You know what, I'll close it from the outside and then you can, and then, yeah, well, we'll do an outside view. How about that? Look at that. Quiet. Quiet. Be right back. I'm gonna go turn the outside lights on so that you can do an outdoor view. Alright, now we can do an outside view. Alright, let's just get the remote. Let me think about this. You know what, we'll just use the keypad. That's fine too. So I got the keypad right here. Anyways, let me turn these lights off so that you can see it better. There it is. Goes nicely. Listen to that. Looks a lot like the other door, except nicer and brand new too. Looks like kind of this, I don't know, but it's completely covered. Since I used the remote to open it, I'll use the keypad right there on the panel. Turn the lights off. And I'm filming this by my computer this time, obviously. You know what? I'm not even gonna make a sound this time. So there we go. Oops, wrong one. Anyways, oops, the light turned on. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and share. And goodbye.